Hi guys, welcome to the chemistry world. I'm SP and by professions I'm a MSc, Masters in Science in Chemical Biology, and I'm a postgraduate teacher, and also I have been working as a teacher, and by profession I'm also a chemist, and I would be presenting you the world of chemistry. Now, what is chemistry? When you talk this word chemistry, people wonder why I have come up with this topic. But through my interactions with my students, I have come to learn that students have difficulties in understanding the basics of chemistry. When you don't know the test of chemistry, we fail to understand, we fail to learn. Then what happens is we have problem in understanding chemistry. We find it difficult to understand chemistry. So if you want to learn chemistry, my students, I would suggest you to find a better silent place for yourself to watch this video so that you understand what is chemistry. So that it makes chemistry very easy for each and every one of you to understand what is chemistry. So today in this lesson I'm going to talk about chemistry in overall. So let us see the definition of chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of science that help us to describe and explain our world. See, now chemistry is such an interesting subject and the topic or a branch of science that tells us that chemistry is so much to us, so much to explain the world. Chemistry is the study of matter, its properties, how and why substances combine or separate. See, how the substances combine or they separate by naturally or by some chemical means to form other substances and how substances interact. Now this chemistry is such interesting. It combines by itself and forms other substances and their substances interact to the world. It gives value. It adds value to the world. It adds value to the humankind in the world. That's why this chemistry is very interesting. So please students, you should know the basic definition for chemistry. So now in today's lesson we will see the branches of chemistry. What are the branches? Now when you talk about this, I have it I have learned through students, and it gives me pain that students fail to understand which is chemistry and which is not. And chemistry falls under various. We have different types of chemistries, like like I'm going to explain. Like we have physical chemistry. So under physical chemistry, we will see the colligative properties under physical chemistry. We'll also know the acid base equilibrium, and we'll also know the chemical kinetics under physical kinetics. No, sorry, physical chemistry. Then we have inorganic chemistry. Now, when you talk about inorganic chemistry, what are there? What are the contents? So in that we have the nuclear chemistry. We have thermodynamics. Is also thermodynamics. We have in physics as well as in chemistry. But here we will be talking about the combinations of substances, the breaking, making, and where we can make the use of inorganic chemistry. And we have the coordination chemistry. It is also very coordination. To coordinate how each other coordinate to form the chemistry, to form a substance, and which will be useful. Now here we have seen two forms of chemistry, that is physical and inorganic chemistry, and we'll now go with the next, that is the organic chemistry. In the organic chemistry, we have carbonyl compounds, which is comprising of aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids, amines, amino acids, peptides, and proteins, and also the polymers, which will come under the organic chemistry. Don't worry, students. Now we will, I will take you through the different presentations so that you understand, keep on tracking what we are going to learn. And the last we have is the analytical technique. This also analytical takes technical in the broader form. It comes under organic chemistry, but here I have taken as a quite a separate technique, because this analytical technique means we how we can analyze all these substances. Okay, students, hope you are understanding what exactly the basics of chemistry is. Now, for today, I would like to thank you all for watching my basics, the idea of chemistry. With this, I would like to say tasidele and thank you and bye bye, and hoping to see you in the next video.